Rhea Chakrabarti, in an exclusive interview with India Today, has revealed, she spilled the beans, she's spoken about her equation with Sushant Singh Rajput. Of course, the entire full interview will be relayed at 9 p.m. tonight. But before that, let's quickly cut across to Pankaj Upadhyay, joining us from Mumbai for more details on that. Pankaj, we heard what Rhea said. She's not playing the victim card. She's saying she has the proof to back every statement that she's made. She's spoken, revealing all her emotions, spoken in detail about what really went by, the kind of relationship that she had with Sushant Singh Rajput. In fact, she spoke about the Europe trip, the all-important Europe trip, where Rhea said that she first saw Sushant becoming ill. She first saw glimpses of his depression, and she says that that was the reason they cut short the trip and brought him back. In fact, India Today was one of the first to showcase what exactly happened in that Europe trip. Rhea has supported those claims as well. Let's take us through what exactly we hear Rhea Chakrabarti saying, that all that she had for Sushant was just love. They lived like a couple. He did not spend on her, but yes, indeed, they shared all the moments together, which means even spending on her wherever need be.
Yes, Navila. So this all-important interview comes at a time when the Central Bureau of Investigation is questioning the prime witnesses, and also at a time when there are multiple theories, speculative theories that are doing the rounds. It was important to hear her side of the story as well, and now she has started giving her version as well. As far as the time period of October 2019, wherein the couple went to Florence in Italy for a Europe tour is concerned, she has given in detail as to what had happened there. But as far as this story is concerned, her statement is concerned, two things I would like to point out since I've been covering this on Ground Zero. One, the former staff of Sushant Singh Rajput had agreed and said that it was only after, by the way, the name of the staff, former staffer was Ashok. Now, Ashok had said that it was only after the Europe trip of October 2019 that Sushant Singh Rajput's health had started deteriorating. He had started looking very weak and feeble. Now, Rhea has given her side of the story on this. Now, at the same time, the staff members, other staff members, be it Neeraj, be it Siraj Pithani, be it the various bodyguards, and the neighbors where Sushant lived in Bandra, all these people have said that Sushant Singh Rajput used to live a lavish lifestyle. That has already been established.
That's precisely what Rhea Chakrabarti has also said, Pankaj, that they lived a lavish life. Yes. He lived life king size. Does that really mean that he was spending on her and that she was forcing him to spend on her? She has put those speculations to rest, but of course it's for the CBI to carry out their probe, intensify the probe. In fact, we're looking at the most wanted person here, where India, all eyes are on Rhea Chakrabarti. India is watching her. Here she comes on India Today and spills the beans. She speaks about exactly what went by, her equation with Sushant Singh Rajput. What was their love really like? She said that Sushant liked her so much that he started a company on her name. It was his dream project, Realitics. She says it quite explicitly there, Pankaj. In fact, do stay with us. We have a lot more information on that. There's a lot of speculation about the Europe trip. In fact, the 2019 Europe trip that Sushant and Rhea had together in Europe has now created a lot of speculation about whether Sushant was indeed mentally ill. In fact, Sushant's cook claimed that the actor changed completely after he returned from the holiday. In fact, India Today on 11th of August was the only channel to access Rhea's version of what really happened on the trip. Rhea, during her grilling, had told the Enforcement Directorate that it was during this Europe trip that she first encountered Sushant's mental health issues. Let's take a listen.
Sushant Singh Rajput's trip to Europe with his girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarti has been much talked about, but not much has been revealed about it. India Today has now accessed exclusive details of Sushant Singh's 2019 Europe trip, where he was accompanied by Rhea and her brother Shovik. Sources say Rhea has told investigation agencies she witnessed Sushant's alleged mental health issues for the first time during that trip. Sources say Rhea claimed the three were staying at a heritage hotel in Italy when Sushant allegedly began hallucinating about some paintings in their room. According to sources, Rhea told officials that they were residing in a 600-year-old heritage hotel in Italy. The hotel had huge rooms with old paintings on the walls of the rooms. She claims one such painting gripped Sushant's mind, which showed Saturn devouring its own child. The couple, according to Rhea, advanced their return from November 2nd to October 28th. Rhea claims after that, Sushant's condition worsened and that she would often find him shouting, screaming and crying. According to sources, she claimed that on June 8th, Sushant told Rhea to go back to her residence and that it would help her recuperate. Sushant's cook had earlier told India Today how Sushant's mood seems to have changed after his European trip.
जब तक मैं 2019 सितंबर तक था तब तक मेरे साथ भी ठीक था और बाद में पता चला है कि उनको डेंगू है, उसके बाद फिर डिप्रेशन हो गया। ये सब बातें बाद में मेरे को पता चला। वो कभी मेडिसिन खाने वाला इंसान ही नहीं है, तो मेडिसिन तो उसको छूता भी नहीं था कभी।
Meanwhile, the Enforcement Directorate has widened its probe in the Sushant case. The heat is not just on Rhea, but also her aides. Sources say Shruti Modi, Sushant's business manager, has told ED that Rhea made all the key financial and project-related decisions for Sushant. Sources say the ED has confiscated mobile phones of Rhea, her brother Shovik, and her father to download data. Another shocking detail that has come out is the mysterious change of IP address of Sushant's server just 7 days before his death. From Sushant were also deleted.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.